It's a 2015 Dodge Dart. This Dart is engineered with passion, precision, and the kind of performance that'll kick in the adrenaline. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, driver and passenger front seat mounted and rear side impact airbags. You connect with Bluetooth, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive reports a little road noise finds its way through the suspension depending on pavement composition, but wind noise is nil thanks to the aero refinements. Can a vehicle be daring yet sensible? Yes, it's a Dodge. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.